TheThaiLanguage.com. I'm Dan Harville. How to say interesting in Thai. Sonjai. Son, rising tone, and jai, flat tone. Sonjai.
สนใจ
สนใจ สนใจ
สนใจน่าสนใจมาก
So the next word we're going to look at is sonjai. Sonjai means interesting. Sonjai. Sonjai can be broken into two parts. It's a compound word where they take two words and smash them together to make a third word. Sonjai. Son means to be interested in, to be of interest, or to be interesting. And then jai, flat tone, means your heart, your mind, or your spirit. So sonjai means you have an interested heart, or an interesting, your heart has interest in this thing. Sonjai means you're interested in that. TheThaiLanguage.com, where you can get a 14-phrase free PDF. All right? Cool. Onward.